Welcome back to Kochie's Business Builders. Remember business trips? According to Tourism Research Australia, business travel dropped a whopping 47% from the start of the pandemic to June this year. Now, with vaccination rates up and borders beginning to open, business owners can start thinking about how to use the stockpile of rewards points they earned through their credit card spend. Spoiler alert, you can get more than just free flights. Joining me now from American Express is Ash Sukhwani, the Director of Global Commercial Services Account Development. Ash, thanks for joining us. With a reduction in business travel during the pandemic, how have businesses been redeeming their points?
We've seen small business owners redeem their points to reward their staff through gift cards from 30 big brands. These points can also be used to pay down eligible business expenses on your statement with Select Plus Pay with the points option that's available. Further to this, business owners can extend their cash flow by using points to pay down their overall balance on their card.
So what criteria should a small business owner look for when assessing which business rewards points program is right for them?
I feel it's pivotal for business owners to consider a reward program as part of their total business card assessment. An important aspect to consider is, what do you want to redeem your business rewards for? Would that be for travel for yourself, your staff, pending restrictions easing, gift cards for staff rewards, or to redeem against items like office supplies? The other important question is, how much are you likely to spend on your credit card each year? Then you can calculate what you can redeem and return.
Now, give us some inside tips. What kinds of everyday business expenses can earn you valuable reward points?
Every card issue in the market is different, but with our business card members, they could earn points on every dollar spent, including travel, utilities, insurance, telecommunications, supply payments, and even government spend. With the reward program that we have available, every time you spend or make a purchase, you'll earn points. You can even earn points by paying your tax with the ATO. With our Platinum card, you can earn up to 2.25 membership reward points for every dollar spent, which also includes complimentary travel insurance when you travel.
Ash, thank you so much for your time today and helping small businesses to get the most from their credit cards.